It's that time of the week again. It's solar Iboost time. Another one. Hi Ian. Thank you for agreeing to look at the Iboost box, which I used to divert the power, blah blah blah. Right, so yeah. See what's going on with it. What the hell is going on here? Yeah, I think they've taken it apart and bent the connector by the look of it. Ace. What are we thinking? Bridge rectifier, maybe? This looks a bit dodgy as well, actually. Maybe the IGBT as well, but I'm guessing just bridge rectifier and the fuse, most probably, on the other side. Well, it's not short. Doesn't mean it's not broken, but it's not short. So I just tested it somewhere else. It's shorted somewhere else instead. So that's ground, that's ground, that's ground. It's just that's those two aren't together, which they usually are sometimes. So yeah, bridge rectifier. Take it off. Right, new one fitted. Old one removed. So let's test it now and see what the readings are. So yeah, I just tested it, and it's not blown the fuse, surprisingly enough. Boom, there you go. Back working. So let's get both parts together now, and that's another one done. There we go, job done. Send it back. That's another one done.